If you were still swiping a debit card for your daily purchases, you were literally handing free money back to the bank. Stop it. Today, we are talking about the Chase Trifecta, a strategy that savvy travelers and finance nerds have been using for years to effectively rob the banks legally. Most people think banking with Chase is just about having a checking account where you park your cash, but if you aren't utilizing their specific ecosystem of credit cards, you are missing out on thousands of dollars in travel value every single year. The strategy revolves around three specific cards: the Chase Freedom Flex, the Freedom Unlimited, and a Sapphire card. Here is how it works. You use the Freedom Unlimited for your everything else purchases because it earns you a flat 1.5% back. You use the Freedom Flex for its rotating quarterly categories, sometimes it's gas, sometimes it's groceries, sometimes it's Amazon, which earns you a massive 5%. Now, if you just stopped there, you'd have decent cash back, but here is the secret sauce: the Sapphire card. When you hold a Sapphire Preferred or Reserve, you can take the cash back earned from the other two cards and combine them into one pool of ultimate rewards points. Suddenly, that 1 cent of cash back becomes transferable to partners like Hyatt or United Airlines, where it can be worth 2, 3, or even 4 cents per point. That 5% cash back on groceries effectively becomes 10 or 15% towards your next vacation. I'm going to show you the math on how a regular person spending $2,000 a month can generate a free international flight every year just by switching which piece of plastic they use at the register. We also need to talk about the infamous 524 rule, because if you apply for these cards in the wrong order, Chase will automatically reject you. Let's break down the exact roadmap you need to follow to master the Chase ecosystem.